I should just let it cook a little bit more, right? So you don't get salmonella, and then we're all good.
Welcome to my kitchen. As a tasty producer, I felt like I just needed to put up two of my best friends to a little bit of a cooking challenge. Would you all say that you're good cooks?
No.
I knew this moment was coming because he's always trying to make us cook, but I'm willing to take on the challenge.
Today, the challenge before you ladies, you watch a tasty recipe one time through, but you don't have any instructions beyond that. And at the end, I'm going to judge who did the best job.
So you see it once, and then you do it.
Right. But there's a twist. It is very difficult to make. It is actually something that takes a lot of people years of practice to master.
Will you help us? Like, are you here to like?
No, not at all.
I'm just wondering why you thought this was the best thing to start us with.
It's an omelet. How could you screw up an omelet?
We're about to find out.
So this is the video. Pay attention, because I'm actually only gonna play it one time.
Oh gosh. Okay, wait.
Yeah, I know.
Let me clear my mind.
I gotta get mentally prepared.
I'm getting rid of any useless information in my brain right now. Okay, 3 ingredients. I already see 2 on the screen, so let's go.
All right, let's watch it.
Oh no. Okay, now we're just sticking together. Oh.
There's no cheese?
No.
Okay, I can do that.
I'm not sure if
You're
you
done.
can call an omelet without cheese.
I
But
agree.
okay, let's go.
Well, this is a French omelet. They just do things a little bit differently. How do you feel about it?
I think I can do that. I was trying to like take note on the texture and like when they're done. So I think that will be my biggest challenge.
I'm getting like scrambled eggs vibes, still whole,
Have you
and
ever-
then it rolls. So I'm kind of scared.
That's the technique.
Yeah.
That's why I chose this recipe.
All right, I think
Okay.
I'm ready.
I think we're ready too. I'll see you ladies in a blink of an omelet.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Okay, wardrobe first, wardrobe first.
Oh yeah.
Specialty.
Apron.
This might be the most challenging part of this video.
My stove doesn't work.
Oh yeah, mine either.
It's not turning on.
Is it plugged in? I'm pushing the on button.
Oh, okay. No eggshells.
Yay.
I'm trying so hard not to get eggshells in here. All right.
Okay.
That did not happen.
Oh, I didn't even watch how much salt they had. Anytime I've cooked with Vaughn, he's all about the salt. You have to put salt in everything.
Ashley, that was like 2 grains of salt.
And then beat the eggs, right?
I don't know. I'm not at liberty to discuss.
I can't remember if the temperature is supposed to be medium low or medium high. And I don't even know if I have it on medium low or medium high or none of the above.
You have it on medium.
I have it on medium? Okay. Oh, shoot. I don't want to melt my butter yet because I have to let my stove get back down to medium low.
My philosophy with cooking is just like put it on the highest heat possible, get it done. Cooking's annoying. Like,
Can y'all please put the knives down? You're acting like it's like a wand.
tell me what to do. Oh wow. Oh, that's a lot of butter.
Butter is good. Butter has never hurt anyone. Well, actually it has. It has hurt a lot of people.
I'm just gonna put it in. I don't know. I'm being reckless right now. Whoa.
Why did it go off? Okay.
Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to move it around. Oh boy.
I'm just gonna use some more butter to
Aren't
cover
you
the
not
whole
supposed to use
pan.
sharp things on pans?
No, please don't do that here.
I'm having memory loss right now.
Oh, look at who's helping.
Okay. Oh, like this? Oh! It said move it around while it's in the pan, right?
I kind of want to eat this butter. I love butter so much.
on the sides? I wish I was kidding. I wish I was like, let me be bad at this. Wow, that's disgusting.
This is so hard. This requires coordination that I don't have.
It's about to come right over the sides. How is it supposed to cook like that?
Maybe it can't. I just feel like going up higher is going to burn the egg. I just did it up one more. What was that sound? Should I have not done that?
Maybe it's what you were supposed to do all along.
Oh my God, I don't want to fail. Yeah,
I'm just gonna let it go.
I see some chunks starting to form.
Okay, but
Chunk is probably one of the worst words in the human language.
No,
Like a chunky baby.
Or yeah, chunky baby, chunky chocolate chip cookie dough.
one of my favorite Instagram accounts is Chunky Monkey. It's a bulldog.
Yeah, and that's also a ice cream flavor.
Right,
Mine is
yeah.
not even flippable.
I think I'm just gonna do it. I have nothing to lose. Am I gonna burn myself right now? Oh, okay, it's a little, ooh, wait.
Ooh, Vaughn, you gotta eat that.
I got a head nod.
Sure. Ashley, that's not how you're supposed to carry a knife.
Okay, I think I'm gonna flip now.
Oh boy, this is the part I thought I was gonna be the best at, and scallions are hard to cut.
I'm just gonna use my plate. Why are you laughing?
You're making me really nervous with how you're holding these knives.
What? How are you supposed to hold it?
Yeah, okay, well then tell me.
Help me so I don't hurt myself. Just want you to get this because I think I just may have created a masterpiece. Just call me Scallion Bay.
You both successfully made an omelet at least, so that's good. Yeah, that's giving me like a little crunch.
Egg patty vibe.
Oh, he took a large bite. That was dangerous.
I mean, not terrible.
That's all I've ever wanted to hear from you.
You did overcook it. My mouth is like a desert right now. It's not too much salt. I would even have put more salt than you did. You didn't do a bad job of making an omelet. You did a bad job of making a French omelet.
Okay. I've never had an omelet before. I've never really eaten eggs before. This is a big moment.
Do you like it?
Is that very weird?
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay, essence.
Yes.
Right off the bat, you do have a better texture, I will say.
Okay.
It's a little springier. You started off with a really good technique. If you were a little bit more patient,
That's what always gets me is patience.
I think you could have really succeeded. We shouldn't have any of this browning on the bottom, but let's taste it. Let's see.
That's a big bite too. He's not afraid.
Be gentle with me.
Are you sure you didn't put anything else in these eggs?
I didn't. All I did was salt and butter. This is why I ordered delivery.
You know what it is?
What?
If you would have kept scrambling it, it would have been good. And then like flipped it while they were still creamy. But then you left it on there for a little too long.
I don't like it. It tastes burnt.
Ashley's is a little creamier just because you took it off sooner and you added more butter, which honestly makes it creamier.
Oh.
I don't really know what I did, to be honest.
You know, it's fine, but for the purposes of this video, it's not.
That cut my entire soul.
Like I said, A for effort, you started off on the right track, but I think that today's winner has to be Ashley.
I never thought I would see the day.
Yeah.
Wow.
I guess I'm happy.
I'm also not competitive at all, but I think we did work together.
We did.
If one positive thing came out of this experience is that Ashley
Ashley likes eggs. And if you like those eggs, you're gonna really love eggs. Literally still taste it. Yeah. And I hate it.